This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Golf course is under new ownership and undergoing many improvements. Quiet cut-de-sac street with park and tennis courts nearby. Gorgeous double front doors open to a spacious floor plan boasting formal living and dining rooms plus huge kitchen with breakfast nook open to great room. Enjoy sunsets over the water from the large patio west/covered area and screen cage. Huge kitchen features second bar area with kegerator tap, mostly 2024 appliances and additional counter space and cabinetry and breakfast nook, as well as a nearby half bath. Owner's retreat has sliders to patio, tray ceiling, sunset views, plenty of closet space, separate tub and shower, and his/hers vanities. Guest bath has outside access. Enclosed laundry room west/air conditioner. Oversized 2-car garage plus a 10x10 workshop/storage/golf cart area. Roof new in 2016. Price to sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.